Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to use custom lightning web components in FlexCard. So we'll be going to talk about today a simple use case like how to embed that created custom lightning web component in the FlexCard using the custom LWC input element, and we are going to display an account card based on an account ID passed from the FlexCard. So this will be a simple use case, and before creating the flex card, let me just show you the LWC component that I have already created, and I will be uploading the same code in the GitHub, and you will be finding that GitHub URL in this video description. So in this account info card JS file, like I have used like this uiRecordApi modules to get the methods like getRecord and getFieldValue to find a specific account record ID. And this is the most important part, that is the public property, which is record ID, and it is configured as camel cases. And this ID, so in the flex card, when we'll be configuring this one, so we'll be finding like in the custom LWC component, the attribute section, we'll be adding one attribute and using that attribute, and in there in the attribute section of the custom LWC, that ID, that means ID will be like kebab cases, but in here we just need to define like that variable using that camel cases. And from the attributes, when we are going to set up in the flex card for custom LWC, that attribute will be in kebab cases, like there will be hyphen for each word, right? So I'm going to show you in some time. So using this record ID, so this is configured as @API. So @API record ID decorator defines like public property that allows the FlexCard to inject the specific account ID into the LWC dynamically. So this variable is marked as reactive. This is how we can marking this variable as reactive, meaning that where service automatically retriggers to fetch fresh account data whenever the ID passed from the FlexCard changes. By exposing this property, you enable a seamless data bridge between the FlexCard and the LWC, right? So based on this record ID, we are getting the account fields, and we are getting these account fields like this way, like importing fields from the schema. Like account name, we can like object name dot field name, then object name dot field name to retrieve that annual revenue. So same like that, it is configured here, and using the getter method we can find the respective values. And in here in the HTML, just simply showing like account initials using this an account initials method. So we can just find the account first name, and then those initials could be find, and then we can find the account type, industry, and then in the div element we can find these respective field values like annual revenue, phone, website, and what are the number of employees. And this LWC needs to be exposed as true, and target could be anything like lightning record page, app page, home page, but this is exposed needs to be true. So so that's all about like creating this LWC component. And let me just create the flex card. So I'll just click on this new, and I'll just provide the flex card name LWC in FlexCard demo, and let me just click on save. So in the active state, we can just simply drag and drop this custom LWC element. So under this display section, we can find this custom LWC. And in the custom LWC, we can find this custom LWC name. And in here, we just need to get our LWC name, and the name of the LWC is account info card. So this is how we can refer our LWC within this custom LWC element, right? Now what we need to do, we need to pass this record ID, right? So record ID in here is camel case, but in here in the attribute, you can find these attributes in the custom LWC element, and on clicking on add, you can just create a new attribute and a value, and in here in the attribute we just need to provide this attribute like this, like in kebab cases, right? So and in here I can just find I can pass any value for the time being and making the demo very simple. So let me just provide an hard-coded account ID, and I'll just provide the account ID. But in the next session I'll be going to talk with like many useful use cases, but this will be like simple, like how to embed this lightning web component in in FlexCard, and how to pass the data from FlexCard to the LWC. So this is how we can just create this attribute in kebab cases, and we can just pass a value, right? And we can also configure different data sources for FlexCard. For the time being I'm not going to do that, so let me just preview, and we can find that this account informations are showing in a good UI, and it's showing all the respective information like this. Here we can find the account initials, then what is the account name, then account type, then account industry, and we can find this annual revenue, phone number of employees, and website. So this is how we can just simply configure the custom LWC component in FlexCard. And if I just go to any other account and let me just provide any other value instead of that value, and let me just update the record ID, and let me just click on preview, we can find that it loading the another account to record ID account informations, right? So in the next session I'll going to talk about like how to pass multiple values, how we can configure the records in from the FlexCard to LWC, so we can pass multiple values from FlexCard to LWC. So that's all for today's demo. I'll be going to upload more tutorials on Salesforce, OmniStudio, and Data Cloud topic, as well as Agentforce topics. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.